The new 7Ryms DW40 might probably be one of the best value for money wireless microphone kits out there. Absolutely tons of pro level features. Let's check them out. So I got really nice packaging. By the way, 7Ryms sent me these wireless microphones to check them out. However, they haven't really paid me anything or asked to say anything about these. Along with the mics, you also get tons of accessories, a nice bag, and a bunch of cables for your cameras and also for smartphones. 7Ryms branded cables, which look pretty good quality. A cable for connecting to a phone or laptop or PC or any USB device, and it's 2-in-1 system basically. So very nice. 2 different cables to connect it to pretty much any camera in the world. You also get 4 very good quality Windmuffs for these microphones and also 4 extremely strong magnets, along with the manual and also your warranty card. Let's check out the mics itself. You got a very nice case where you can store your mics and also charge them. By the way, they do come already charged and they are pretty much ready to be used. So inside the box you get 1 receiver and 4 transmitters. So for this price, it's an insane value for money, especially since you're getting 4 microphones. This is what the microphone itself looks like. You got a power button here and also a mute. Then also you get on each of these microphones a gain button basically, so you can adjust the recording volume basically of these microphones, and that's incredibly nice feature on these microphones, and I haven't really seen any microphones that offer this feature straight on the mics itself. Very nice. Just look how absolutely tiny this thing is, and I don't think it even weighs more than 10 grams. I think so. It's extremely lightweight. Usually all the wireless mics in the market are extremely heavy, and when you actually wear them on your shirt, they like drag your shirt down. So you also got Type-C charger port basically, so you can actually charge it here without even needing the case here, I guess. Then on this button you got your denoise button, so if you are in a very loud area basically, you can press this and it will like get rid of background noise basically. And also a very nice clip that you can use to attach it pretty much anywhere you want. This is a page from manual basically where you can see the functions of these transmitters. This is what the receiver looks like, and it's noticeably larger than a transmitter basically, but still very compact size and actually very lightweight, which is huge bonus. So on this side you got your power button and some like mode switching button. Then you got your pairing button here as well, a very nice clip and charging holes basically here as well. Then on this side you get your USB Type-C output, so you can actually connect this microphone to your phone or also a laptop or computer. Then also you got this port basically which you can use to connect it to any camera basically using these cables provided here. So you got 2 cables here as well, and then also I got a monitoring port, so you can actually plug in your earphones and actually listen back to your like recording quality. And I'm really pleasantly surprised that this microphone does have this audio monitoring port as well. A drawing of the receiver from the manual where you can see all the functions. Here are the full specifications of these microphones, so you can pause this video if you want to inspect them. By the way, you get 5 hours of runtime on these on single charge basically, and of course you got your case where you can basically extend the runtime basically as well. Let's check out the sound recording quality of these microphones. I'm currently speaking in one of these microphones, so how does it actually sound? Does it actually sound any good? At the moment I have connected this microphone to my phone using this Type-C cable basically. Let me show you this microphone's performance in various situations. I'm talking around 15 centimeters away from it, and this is how it sounds like. Also the room I'm currently recording in isn't treated for audio recording at all basically, so I bet you can get even better results than these if you actually treat your room properly, and also if you actually record to a camera basically instead of a phone basically. Let's test this Windmuff actually, and actually I'm not a fan of this Windmuff, I think, as it cancels out too much noise so from my tests, but let's see how it actually performs. So I'm talking again 15 centimeters away, but with this Windmuff on, so, and I think the sound performance won't be as good as without this. Again, this is without the Windmuff basically, and this is how it sounds like. Also at the moment I have it set to the maximum gain basically for volume basically, so we can actually adjust the gain, and I will set it to pretty much 0 at the moment. So the gain is at like level 1, I think. Next I'm increasing the gain to number 2 level, and I'm increasing now to the number 3 level. And it's at the maximum level right now. So this is the maximum gain level. You got 4 levels, and I think the maximum actually is pretty good, and that's what I would use actually. Even though this is probably the optimal audio performance when you place it like that and talk directly inside it, you will probably use it like this, clipped on your lapel basically here. So, and this is how it sounds like when it's clipped here basically, and I'm not in direct position. So does it sound actually good? So yep, this is what it sounds like. This again, 7Ryms microphones. So far I think they're pretty good. So let's see how they perform when they're placed like that. Next, also they got these magnets here, which you can attach basically, and the back here, and they're extremely strong. So let's move it around here probably. And I think this might be, again, a better position where to record than over here. So how does it sound? This is a microphone test of the 7Ryms microphone when it's placed around here basically. And also it's very easy to move it right here, and this magnet is very strong. So let me know how it actually sounds when it's placed over here. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. Okay, let's move it here basically. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. Okay, let me show you again what it sounds when it's in perfect position. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. Let's do another test where I actually place this microphone maybe 5 centimeters from my mouth and see how it actually sounds like. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. How are the plosives? So let me know how it is. Then let's see how this microphone sounds and actually try to hide it and place it like this. So maybe you don't want people to see that you have this microphone, and this is what it would look like maybe. And yeah, this is what it sounds like basically when it's covered, and this is not a perfect position at all. I think it will sound terrible probably. Any microphone when placed like this probably will sound very bad, but let's see how it sounds like. I'm very interested to hear it. So anyway, but from my quick first impressions, actually I think this is a very good quality microphone, and the sound quality, yeah, from the first impressions, I think it's actually pretty darn good, especially at this price point. And yeah, it's really it's up there with the big boys basically in the sound recording quality, and also probably in the build quality as well. So I think it's a very good microphone actually. Just for comparison, this is the audio coming from my Pixel 6a, which I use to record all my videos basically. By the way, this phone has got incredibly good microphones as is. At the moment I'm around 1 meter from the phone basically, so you'll see the sound quality isn't very good. However, when you are very up close to the phone, it's actually very good sound quality, and I think they do some kind of AI post-processing of the audio, so the audio is actually incredibly good. It's actually one of the better phones when it comes to audio recording quality, so I use it all the time really. It's a great phone. And audio is coming from the 7Ryms microphone again, so you can see and compare to the phone quality and see if you actually need these microphones. Personally, I think there's absolutely huge upgrade, especially if you are at distance. Maybe if you are again like 20 centimeters from the phone, then the quality is difference really probably isn't that huge. But obviously, when you actually get farther away, these can pick up sound perfectly at any distance really, and that's where they really shine. But still really, even if these phones have got crazy good internal audio recording, it doesn't really come close to this 7Ryms microphone. Let's do another test where I place this microphone around 50 centimeters away from me, maybe even more. So maybe you want to actually use this microphone as a boom microphone and you don't want it here, but maybe over here out of your frame, and still want a very good audio quality. So this is how it would sound like. If you actually frame it correctly, it would be out of my frame. I'm just giving it for demonstration purpose like this. Anyway, so again 50 centimeters away. So let's place it again normally around 15 centimeters away from me, maybe 20 centimeters, I don't know, but this would be like a normal version if you hold it around here or maybe here. This is what it sounds like. Again, normal version. and if we place it again 50 centimeters away from me. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So let's see how they actually sound outdoors. And yeah, a quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers outdoors. So this is how it sounds like. And these microphones do have 200-meter range, at least in the specs. You can probably hear some birds chirping in the background. And yeah, I'm probably maybe 40 meters away. And let me know how is the sound quality. I'm not sure if even you can see me. I'm probably 40 meters away right now. So, but I will go later a bigger distance to see how they actually perform. Then also these microphones do have this noise cancellation feature. As you maybe can hear, I have some birds chirping in the background. So let's turn on the noise cancellation feature. Okay, and the noise cancellation feature is on. Let me know how it sounds. Does it sound any different? Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, the noise cancellation feature is off, and this is how it sounds outdoors, basically in perfect conditions, again without any noise cancellation. Okay, let's turn on the noise cancellation and see if it's any different. There's not that much noise around, maybe some cars in a huge distance, and this is what it sounds like. There are some birds chirping. Okay, let's turn it off, and this regular mode without any noise cancellation at all. You can hear the background noise probably. Again, let's turn on the noise cancellation, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, I will try to walk outside my yard and walk maybe 100 meters to see if you still get signal. Okay, I'm probably 100 meters away now. Can you still hear me? I hope you can still hear me. So let me know how it sounds while being 100 meters away. And at the moment I'm probably 150 meters away. So can you still hear me? And this is what it sounds like outdoors when the microphone is over here. So this is what it sounds like. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. Yeah, okay. Overall, I'm highly impressed with these 7Ryms DW40 microphones, and they probably would be my first choice if I wanted to mic up a large group of people and I didn't want to spend a huge fortune doing that while still getting excellent audio quality. Including a bag where to store all your accessories also is pretty nice touch, so you can pretty much show them all here, basically all your dead cats, all your cables, and you got no mess basically. By the way, I previously said that I'm not really a huge fan of these dead cats, basically as they often like reduce your sound quality, but actually when playing back the footage, basically I didn't really see any major like drop in quality when actually using these, so these are probably fine. Still, probably if you don't need them, don't use them, as the sound quality will be better, but that's as expected really. Also, I just checked, these weigh only 12 grams, so yeah, it's like feather lightweight. And again, like some other like microphones, even like much more expensive ones, they literally drag your shirt down when you put them in, and they're huge, bulky, and they weigh a ton basically. But these are super good, and they even have a pretty decent battery life as well. Probably if they moved these light bars somewhere on the side or back even, it would be a bit better, since you can easily see these lights when you are actually using these to record video, and you can see the lights shining here. But at least the logo isn't very huge. On some like these wireless microphones, they put on absolutely huge logos, so just to give your branding. However, you can't really see this much, so that's pretty good. So if you need a good quality wireless microphone set with good audio quality, then I don't think you can go wrong with these 7Ryms DW40 wireless microphones. By the way, for past 3 minutes I think I have been recording the audio on these microphones as well, so again you can check the audio quality. At the first start of video I was recording with the phone basically for the first 4 minutes, so you can again go through the video so you can compare the quality again. See you.